Your view, Bill, that you have now adopted this view that actually it was part of
the hypothesis he's adopted.
Yeah, hypothesis.
The hypothesis, if you like, the hypothesis that you're teasing out here. Is it that the humanness of this first couple is because they genetically, or what is it that marks them out as the first humans, as opposed to their parents or whatever, that came before them?
Yes. Well, I think I talk about what it means to be human in the book. And I think that they would have to have an anatomical similarity to ourselves. We know that we are human beings. And so using ourselves as paradigms, we would look to see whether or not these ancient hominins were sufficiently similar to ourselves to count biologically as human. But then what one would look for would be modern cognitive behaviors that would be indicative, for example, of self-consciousness, of symbolic thinking, of the ability to plan for the future and think in abstract categories. And that will be the tip-off that you're dealing there with a person. And it would be a human person because it would be enfleshed in an anatomically human body.
So to make a connection here, this is pretty similar to like the Catholic view of like a rational animal, or the way how many Catholics understand Adam, and like a rational soul to be unique to Adam and Eve's lineage. Is that right?
Yes, if we think theologically, in order to have a human being, I think you do have to have a rational soul infused into a hominin body. And I'm a dualist when it comes to my anthropology. I think that man is a composite of soul and body. So at some point, I would say, in the evolutionary process, there was a kind of renovation or refurbishing of a hominin form that catapulted it to full humanity. And this involved both the infusion of a rational soul and the equipment of the body to have the sort of central nervous system that could be the seat of a rational soul, self-consciousness, abstract and symbolic thinking, and so forth.